What if one machine could conquer the Arctic, cross deserts, survive mountain storms, and still feel like a luxury home on wheels? The channel where we explore the boldest, toughest, and most innovative machines made for adventure. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme rigs ever conceived, the 2026 Toyota Arctic Titan 6x6 motorhome. This powerhouse is built for expedition travelers who want the durability of a military-grade truck combined with the comfort of a modern luxury motorhome. In this video, we'll take you through a full review of its design, interior, engine, and performance, technology, safety, pricing, financial considerations, purchase options, advantages, and finally, our conclusion with a call to action. Let's get into it. The design of the 2026 Toyota Arctic Titan 6x6 motorhome is nothing short of commanding, blending Toyota's signature ruggedness with expedition-ready engineering. From the moment you see it, the high ground clearance, massive off-road tires, reinforced steel bumpers, and aggressive front fascia make it clear that this vehicle is built for the harshest environments on Earth. Its extended 6x6 wheelbase provides unmatched stability, while the aerodynamically sculpted motorhome module integrates seamlessly into the chassis, combining functional strength with a surprisingly refined silhouette. The exterior features Arctic-grade insulation, reinforced side panels, roof-mounted equipment storage, and integrated recovery gear mounts, giving the Arctic Titan a look that's equal parts survival machine and luxury explorer. Inside, the 2026 Arctic Titan transforms from a rugged beast into a premium, high-comfort living space designed for long-term expeditions. The cabin is crafted with temperature-stabilizing materials, soft-touch panels, real wood accents, and ambient lighting that creates a warm escape even in the harshest climates. The front cockpit offers a commanding driving position with plush, heated and ventilated seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a massive infotainment display. Moving into the motorhome section, you'll find a fully equipped micro suite featuring a foldable queen bed, modular seating area, chef-style kitchenette, bathroom with a hot shower, variable climate control, and abundant hidden storage. The cabin layout focuses on maximizing space efficiency while ensuring travelers have the comfort and convenience of a modern mini apartment. Powering the 2026 Toyota Arctic Titan 6x6 motorhome is a heavy-duty twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain engineered for maximum torque and reliable performance in unforgiving terrain. The electric assist system boosts low-end power, making climbing, towing, and off-roading smoother and more efficient. The 6x6 drivetrain offers incredible traction, distributing power across all three axles for superior stability on snow, ice, mud, sand, or rock. The reinforced suspension uses long travel shocks and adaptive dampers to ensure that even with the added weight of the motorhome, ride quality remains balanced. Despite its size, the Arctic Titan accelerates confidently, cruises smoothly on highways, and dominates trails that typical campers could never dream of entering. This is a machine built for the Arctic, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. But raw power and rugged engineering are only half the story, because what comes next takes the Arctic Titan to an entirely different level. Toyota equipped the Arctic Titan with advanced expedition technology that enhances both travel safety and comfort. The central infotainment system features satellite connectivity, off-grid navigation, multi-terrain mapping, real-time vehicle diagnostics, and an AI-based terrain advisor that assists in choosing optimal driving modes. The motorhome portion integrates smart home technology, including touch panel controls for lighting, climate, solar charging, battery management, and water systems. The vehicle also offers drone docking and deployment capability for scouting routes ahead. The Arctic Titan transforms into a fully connected mobile command center, empowering explorers, maintenance of off-grid systems, and seasonal upgrades depending on where they plan to travel.